Hey guys, Google has once again teased us with the official look of the upcoming Pixel 9, which is set to launch on August 13. Less than a month away, and I think it looks amazing with a totally new design. There are some new exciting surprises. Let's take a look. So, this is the final design. Already there are real hands-on videos of Pixel 9 and design-wise it looks awesome. The cameras are going to be separate apart instead of the connected on the previous Pixel devices. Also, the side frames are flat rather than round, and also if you notice the side frame on the Pixel 9 is matte texture and Pro has a glossy finish. What do you think about the new design? Let me know. Also, along with the new design, 3 Pixel models are coming instead of 2. So, Pixel 9 with 6.24 inches, Pixel 9 Pro with 6.34 inches, and Pixel 9 Pro XL with 6.73 inches. Now, there is more options to choose. So, there is a new leaks coming in that Pixel 9 Pro and XL might get an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Same system present on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, ultrasonic is more fast, secure, and can be used in any conditions. Now, the displays are also said to be getting upgraded to more higher pixels and going to be brighter. Also, Pixel 9 series is coming with new exciting colors. Right now, we can see pink color. According to the leaks, there will be a golden or rose color. Other than that, black is also present. It will be interesting to see the price, but before that, Google is about to surprise us with more AI features on the Pixel 9 series. Some of the features are really awesome. Take a look. 2.2 billion people experience blindness or low vision. So several years ago, we developed TalkBack, an accessibility feature that helps people navigate their phone through touch and spoken feedback. And now we're taking that to the next level with the multimodal capabilities of Gemini Nano. So when someone sends Caro a photo, she'll get a richer and clearer description of what's happening. Or let's say Caro is shopping online for an outfit. Now she can get a crystal clear description of the style and cut to find the perfect look. And the model even works when there's no network connection. People lost more than $1 trillion to fraud last year. So let's say I get rudely interrupted by an unknown caller right in the middle of my presentation. Hello? Hi, I'm calling from SafeMore Bank Security Department. Am I speaking to Dave? Yeah, this is Dave. Kind of in the middle of something. We've detected some suspicious activity on your account. It appears someone is trying to make unauthorized charges. Oh yeah, what kind of charges? I can't give you specifics over the phone. But to protect your account, I'm going to help you transfer your money to a secure account we've set up for you. Have a look at this. My phone gives me a warning that this call might be a scam. So, these are really exciting features. Pixel 9 is not going to be boring. Next, let's talk about the cameras. We've already seen that 3 models are confirmed to be getting a new design, and with that, Pixel 9 Pro and XL will each have 50-megapixel cameras on the back. The Pixel 9 unsurprisingly features a main camera and an ultra-wide lens, while the other 2 models both add a periscope telephoto lens for 5x optical zoom. This feature is not limited to the larger model, as was the case in the Pixel 8 series. Additionally, enhanced low-light photography and improved video quality are expected, and with impressive image editing features. Next, let's discuss the Tensor Z4. The bad news is that the chipset is reportedly based on Samsung's latest 4nm process, which we have already seen in the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. But there's a catch. Look at this leaked scores. If we compare it with the Exynos, it's behind. Maybe performance-wise there will be no issues for the daily users. However, next year with the Pixel 10, Google is expected to adopt a 3nm TSMC process. As for the Tensor Z4, it will utilize an advanced packaging method called fan-out wafer-level packaging. This packaging technique aims to improve heat dissipation in semiconductors, leading to increased power efficiency and overall performance. This enhancement represents notable improvements over last year's Tensor Z3 SoC. So this year, not major upgrades can be seen if you want hardcore gaming on the Pixel 9. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen this year. Next, upcoming Pixel 9 series is expected to offer improved battery life. We're already aware of how well Google software is optimized, even with a low-powered chipset. The battery life on the Pixel 8 Pro is decent, but with the inclusion of an upgraded 5G modem, in the Pixel 9 we can anticipate even better battery performance. The upcoming Pixel 9 series will feature an upgraded 5G modem. Currently, many users have expressed concerns about network issues with the Pixel 8 and earlier model. With the inclusion of Samsung 5400 modem, improved network connectivity is anticipated. Additionally, satellite connectivity is expected to be a part of this enhancement. These developments could significantly extend communication capabilities, enabling not only emergency services but also text and multimedia messaging in areas without conventional mobile signal coverage. Let's take a roundup of the features. 5x telephoto on the smaller Pixel 9 Pro, better display, new design with better cooling system, Tensor Z4, better battery life, lots of exciting AI features, upgraded 5G modem. Now, let's talk about the price. Pixel 9 is expected to be around $700, Pixel 9 Pro estimated around $900, and Pixel 9 Pro XL around $1,100. So, this is the pricing, not even a month for the release. Let me know if you want to buy one or skip and wait for the Pixel 10. Peace out.